So the 1080 Ti has been released on the 10th of March in 2017, so over a year has passed now, and there's been some leaks that we will be expecting a new set of GPUs. Our channel named after the cat. So you probably came here to find out some spicy release dates, but that is not the case. We don't know anything. We're just random teenage boys, we don't know that. But what we do know, well, we don't know, but what we're guessing is that it will probably be released some point after July this year, or, which is less likely, early 2019. Firstly, the July prediction was, I will explain that in a bit, and the 2019 prediction is because Nvidia invented the GPU 20 years ago. That's going to be in 2019, that being 1999. So yeah, that and then the GPU could be called a 20-something series, so the 2080, 2090, because you see, 20 years anniversary. But it is confirmed that the cards are coming out pretty soon, and also Nvidia quite a while ago removed the pre-order button on their website to buy the 1080 Ti and 1080. So that means a new series should be coming out soon. But yeah, in this video I will try cover the price estimate, so the MSRP we'll be expecting, performance, relative performance, and all the new features that are coming with the 1180, 2080. Well, the new meta is 1180 now, so I'm just going to stick, because that's what gets me the views. Us, Shane. So firstly, it will sport new GDDR6 memory. SK Hynix, who provides most of the VRAM memory for most graphics cards, that we will be expecting GDDR6 memory mass production in July, and that's why I think the graphics cards will be coming around then. So this means we will most 99% won't be getting any new GPU stuff before July for sure. Although Samsung has already entered mass production in GDDR6 memory, but it is most likely confirmed that SK Hynix will be the main vendor for memory. So GDDR6, let's talk about it. Well, it's on the topic. We will be expecting, just memory-wise, about 20% price increase from GDDR5, and it will double in speed from 8 gigabits per second to 16 gigabits per second, so much faster VRAM, and also it can be sold in 16 gig modules other than 8, so we will probably be expecting much higher VRAM amounts in the new graphics card series. So the main thing about new graphics card, the actual GPU, the architecture. Most important things. So previously we had Pascal, but with the new one it has been confirmed that it's Turing, however you pronounce it. It has been speculated that it will be called Ampere, but no, it's just not true. Deal with it, that's it, end of. So Turing architecture could mean several things. It could be that it's a totally new architecture, and it could be that it's just based off Volta, the previous architecture released by Nvidia, which was included in Titan V, but I don't think it's that. Or it could mean that it's super turboed, because, you know, get it? Turbo, Turing, sounds similar. Right. I'm turning into Linus Tech Tips there. But yeah, anyways, if it is based off the Volta architecture, one of the features it has is stackable DRAM, which basically means the DRAM is placed above the GPU, not around it. So that will just basically mean the data has to travel physically less, so it will be faster. Maybe that will be featured in the new architecture, as it is featured in Volta. It could also have tensor cores, again featured in Volta, and it could have the new RTX hardware technology, which basically allows ray tracing. Actually no, that's confirmed, but I'll get onto that later. And also tensor cores and ray tracing, I'll get into that, but tensor cores are unlikely. So it is 100% confirmed though that it will have RTX hardware acceleration for DX12 ray tracing, which I will explain in the video. So it could be based on Volta, but without the tensor cores and all the other features, but I think it will be just a separate thing in its own. And also, what it is confirmed that I will use a 12 nanometer technology other than the 16 nanometer technology used in Pascal GPUs. The performance. What everyone cares about. No one cares about all the previous bits. I just did it late so people just don't click off the video. So yeah, it will have the new GT104 GPU, not to be confused with the GP104, which is the 1080's GPU. And it will we'll be expecting about a 50% performance increase from the 1080, and about, again, just a bit less from compared to the 1080 Ti, but it will still be better than a Titan X, and it's going to be amazing. Although knowing Nvidia with the GPP and everything, it all costs like £2 grand. Oh, by the way, I have no idea what the GT 104 means. I'm just reading what I read in an article and I did some research on it to confirm it. I'm learning with you guys. So as I said, it does perform a bit better than the Titan X, but the main thing is that it does have 50 watts less in TDP, so the thermals will be better than the Titan X, but keep in mind it is quite a bit larger than the 1080, so clearance could be an issue in some cases, as it has a 400mm squared die size. It has about the same base and boost base clocks, but just slightly higher boost clocks, but the main thing, it has 1,000 more CUDA cores than the 1080. This is going to be insane. So it has 3,854 CUDA cores, which is just about 1,500 behind the Titan V. And as I mentioned before, it will be using GDDR6 memory, so that will be much faster. And also, just for the overclocking enthusiasts who overclock everything, it will have more to map, basically more places for temperature. Finally, the prices. Hi, that's it. Goodbye, guys. Should people subscribe to our YouTube channel? What are you expecting, to be honest? The MSRP will be $700, but remember, that's the MSRP. Retail will probably be like $2 grand. I don't know. It will be quite a bit. MSRP $700, but yeah, retail much higher. Speaking of new GPUs, Tunnel Bear.
Tunnel Bear! Tunnel Bear! Tunnel Bear!
No, I'm only joking. I'm not Linus. Yet. I want to make more money though, so please sponsor me. Yeah, but anyways, new GPUs, while we're on the topic, new GPU has been released called the Titan W, with the new Weissman architecture, but it has a TDP of 500 watts, and it costs $8 grand, so it won't be affecting our little gaming community that we have going on here. But yeah, that's all I know, and if I have got anything, remember, these are not 100% confirmed. I do not take any responsibility for any of these infos being 100% correct. These are what I found from research. I have not personally been informed that these are 100% correct, so please don't rage at me if they're not correct. But yeah, hope you guys found out and calmed your curiosity about what this new graphics card will bring to us. And yeah, start saving up and preparing your pockets, because it's gonna be an expensive ride. Should people subscribe to our YouTube channel? Should they dislike? No, you were supposed to say no! Oh, you stupid cat. T-U-R-I-N-G-N. No, I can't spell. T-U-R-I-N-G. Maybe this filthy minus will clear that thing and then it won't be so expensive. Love you. With it, because that's what gets me. Because that's what get me. So it comes in at 3,584. Oh my god, I just nailed that. First try. Let's go.